Today we'll be discussing the latest advancement in wearable technology, the fabric armband touchpad. This new technology is a breakthrough in the world of wearable devices, making it possible for us to interact with our computers in a more intuitive and user-friendly way. The researchers at ACS Nano have come up with a unique way to make playing video games, sketching cartoons, and even signing documents easier with a silk armband that turns a person's forearm into a keyboard or sketchpad. The fabric armband is a 3-layer, touch-responsive material that interprets what a user draws or types and converts it into images on a computer. In order to create a more comfortable and user-friendly wearable device, the researchers incorporated a pressure-sensitive hydrogel between layers of knit silk to make the fabric sleeve. The top piece was coated in graphene nanosheets to make the fabric electrically conductive, allowing it to interpret what a user types or draws, and convert it into images on a computer. The technology is pressure responsive, with real-time and rapid sensing when a finger slides over it, writing numbers and letters. This technology has been incorporated into an arm-length silk sleeve, with a touch-responsive area on the forearm. In experiments, a user controlled the direction of blocks in a computer game and sketched colorful cartoons in a computer drawing program, all from the armband. Previously, researchers suggested making flexible touch-responsive panels from clear, electrically conductive hydrogels, but these substances were found to be sticky and irritating to the skin. The team of researchers behind this new breakthrough were able to create a hydrogel-based fabric armband that is comfortable and user-friendly, without any negative effects on the skin. As we continue to explore wearable technology, we can expect to see more innovative and user-friendly devices that will improve our daily lives. The proof-of-concept wearable touch panel has great potential to inspire the next generation of flexible keyboards and wearable sketchpads.